There are many different ways to describe Virginia. Beautiful comes to mind. We live in a very beautiful state, but we can also use different ways to describe the land of Virginia, the actual physical geography of our state. Our state has very different, distinct regions. Our regions can be described by physical characteristics, and we are going to go through those today. The first region we're going to talk about is the coastal plain. And when I hear the word coast, I think water and tides. The coastal plain is the region that borders the Chesapeake Bay and the Atlantic Ocean. So the coastal plain is flat. There are no hills, there are no mountains in the coastal plain region. From the coastal plain, the next region that we get to is the Piedmont region. The Piedmont region has rolling hills. Tidewater, coastal plain, very flat. But then as you enter the Piedmont region, there's rolling hills. Next is the Blue Ridge Mountain region. So we've gone from flatland, coastal plain, rolling hills of the Piedmont, and now we're at the foot of the Blue Ridge Mountains. The Blue Ridge Mountains are old, rounded mountains. Now we've gone from flat, coastal plain, hills, Piedmont, old, rounded mountains, Blue Ridge. What region comes next? That's right, your region. Highland Park is in the next region. We are not in the Blue Ridge Mountain region. We are in Valley and Ridge. And I know Roanoke Valley is where we live. We live in a little basin called a valley. And it's separated by tall ridges of mountains. That's our region. There's only one more region left in Virginia, and it is the smallest. And what is the smallest part of your body? Your toe. That's the Appalachian Plateau. That's the last region left in Virginia. The Appalachian Plateau is elevated and flat. Now, what is in the Appalachian Plateau that was found in Tazewell County? Coal. You got it. Most of the Appalachian Plateau is in West Virginia. We have a small part of the Appalachian Plateau in Virginia. So we have from the coast, where the Chesapeake Bay and the Atlantic Ocean are, is flat coastal plain. Then we move into the Piedmont region, rolling hills. Then we enter the Blue Ridge Mountains, and that is old, rounded mountains. Then we go Valley and Ridge. Valley, Ridge, Valley, Ridge. So we live in a valley. Then we have the small region, the Appalachian Plateau, elevated and flat. If you are able to, I would love for you to comment below and let me know how many regions we have in Virginia. Thank you.